The story of Clan Mowat finds its roots in the Norman name monthault, which translates to of the high mountain. This name, rendered in Latin as Monte Alto, signifies their possible origins in the elevated terrains of Normandy. The Mowat family is believed to have settled in Wales initially before making their way to Scotland during the reign of King David I. Upon their arrival in Scotland, the Mowat family swiftly ascended to positions of influence and power. Acquiring lands in Angus, their influence grew over time, and they began to play pivotal roles in the affairs of the region. Notable figures like Robert and Michaele de Muheut emerged, witnessing important charters and events that marked their involvement in Scottish society. The Mowats' legacy of service to Scotland is exemplified by individuals who held significant positions and participated in historical events. Michaele de Monte Alto, for instance, served as the Sheriff of Inverness in 1234, and his presence was witnessed in various charters of neighbouring noble families. Bernard de Monte Alto's tragic story reveals the family's commitment as he accompanied Princess Margaret to Norway for her marriage, only to meet his end in a shipwreck on their return journey. The Mowat clan etched its name in pivotal moments of Scottish history. William de Monte Alto's presence on the Ragman Roll, where he pledged homage to Edward I of England in 1296, showcases the complex political landscape of the time. However, the Mowats later reclaimed their Scottish identity by signing the famous Declaration of Arbroath in 1320. This document, asserting Scotland's sovereignty, was a cornerstone of the nation's struggle for independence. The name Monte Alto became widespread throughout Scotland, from Ayrshire to Orkney. The Mowat family left an indelible mark on various regions, with the Liards of Balcony, Aberdeenshire emerging as a prominent branch. Axel Mowat, an admiral in the Norwegian fleet during the 17th century, added a maritime chapter to the family's legacy, further intertwining their story with Scotland's northern neighbour.